All right, here's the scenario. So let's say I was working on the rotary the day before. This is where my origin is set. So my origin is set there. I send the machine home. Before I end, you know, when I end the night, before I shut it down, and I forget to hit origin, I turn the machine off. All right, I don't know what I was doing, whatever, you know, working up here somewhere, doing something. Then the night before, I decide to load the rotary, test fitting tumblers, doing whatever, and I decide I want to leave it set up. Now when I come and I start my machine, the only option it gives me is to home. I can't lower the bed, I can't do anything. The only option is home. So I have no way to change it. So if I forgot to set origin at home and I say go ahead and confirm, it's gonna go home, then it's gonna go to the last known origin. Boom, it just slammed into my rotary because I had it loaded up. Now if I had a way to lower the bed, if I could have done Z before that, then I could have lowered the bed and let it do its thing and there'd be no issues. So that's what I'm asking for. Now I did find out one thing, and I can show you this. So let's run through that scenario again. I think I fixed my own problem. So let's go ahead and turn this off. Okay, I didn't change the origin. Origin's still up here. Just fired it up. Now in LightBurn, you still have the ability to lower the bed. So I'm doing that with LightBurn. So I can lower the bed, which is great. All right. I'm not sure whether I homed or not. Now I've got plenty of clearance. See, in my CNC machine, sorry about my lunch. My CNC machine, it actually it does the Z-axis first. So it'll take the spindle from where it's parked right now and it'll raise it up as high as it'll go. Then it'll run over and do X and then Y. So it's safe, but I wish OneLaser would let us have control of Z so we can lower the Z before confirming home. So now with LightBurn, I moved the bed down, everything's great. I'm fine. Peace of mind. I don't have to worry that maybe I forgot to zero the origin the night before, if I could lower the bed. I guess that's what I'm asking for. All right. I hope this makes more sense, but the good news is if that does happen, and I'm not sure if I zeroed it or not, I can lower the bed with LightBurn, so that does help. All right. And I'm learning, so I'm learning the machine. I got the concepts, you know, pretty well. I don't want to crash my machine, so just for peace of mind, it'd be nice to be able to move the bed out of the way, and I can do that with LightBurn. All right, thanks.